Hi, I'm Brian Rogers with Shadowcaster Lighting. Today I would like to tell you about our Zone Controller Lighting Kit. The ZC-KIT comes with the Light Commander module and a ZC remote pad for operation of up to 4 zones of RGB and ShadowNet lights. This system allows you total control of your boat's lighting through the remote. The waterproof and backlit remote control pad is easily mounted on your dash, console, or preferred installation location. Once you have your ZC-KIT wired and installed in the boat, you can now flip on the power through the battery switch or breaker. All of the lights will remain off, waiting for your command. The controller features 4 separate zones of lighting control. Each zone number on the controller is coordinated with the corresponding RGB channel inside of the lighting controller. For ShadowNet enabled lights, underwater lights will default to Zone 1, downlights to Zone 2, and spreader lights, Zone 3. Please note, if you have both ShadowNet underwater lights and RGB lighting connected to Zone 1, the RGB lights and underwater lights will coordinate colors and programs for Zone 1. The same is true for Zone 2 and downlights Zone 3 with spreader lights. Turning on and setting zone controller and brightness. To turn on the lights, you can either select a zone number and set the color, brightness, or mode for the zone to your preference, or hit the All button to activate all lights, then a color brightness setting to apply the same setting to all zones. The left and right arrows allow you to dial in between colors. The up and down arrows allow for you to dial in the brightness of the lights. All settings are saved when you hit the off button. You can easily recall your last settings from the previous use by simply clicking the All button twice upon startup. Another great built-in feature is lighting modes. Each zone or all zones can be configured to one of 4 lighting modes. Modes can be used by selecting the zone number or the All button and pressing Mode. Step through modes of single color, fade, multicolor change, and strobe. To adjust the rates of change, press and hold the Mode button and use the left or right arrow buttons, while continuing to hold the Mode button to adjust the slower left button or faster right button. Also, by holding the Mode button in any mode and using the up and down arrows, you can adjust the color of a mode. Press the Sync button one time to activate full color frequency response for lights to fade and strobe with each corresponding frequency. Press the Sync button a second time to activate the single color Amplitude program. The lights will stay on the single color and the brightness is driven by the intensity of the music signal. In this mode, you can use the left and right arrows to change the color. Press the Sync button a third time and this will activate the multicolor Amplitude mode. This is similar to the single color Amplitude modes, but all the colors will continuously rotate. For more information, please visit our website at shadow-caster.com. All of Shadowcaster's products are manufactured in the USA and backed by our 3-year limited warranty.